Hello friends, this is Jairaj. Let us study Kirchhoff's current law, that is KCL. KCL states that it the algebraic sum of all currents entering and exiting a node is equal to 0. That is, let us consider a node A, and let us consider current I1, current I2 and current I3. I1 and I2 entering into the node A and I3 leaving the node A. Then according to Kirchhoff's current law, I1 plus I2 minus I3 is equal to 0. As current I1 and I2 are entering the node, they are treated as positive, and current I3 is leaving the node, it is treated as a negative. In general, mathematically KCL can be written as summation Ik is equal to 0 for all the values of k varying from 1 to n, assuming there are n nodes connected, there are n branches connected to node. Thus I1 plus I2 plus I3 plus plus In is equal to 0. This is Kirchhoff's current law. Now let us see how to solve the problem using Kirchhoff's current law. Let us consider a circuit where we are supposed to find out the voltage across 2.7 kilo ohm resistor using Kirchhoff's current law. Let us call the voltage across 2.7 kilo ohm resistor as VR with the polarities shown in the figure. Before we solve, let us state what is Ohm's law. Ohm's law states that V is equal to I into R. In this case, voltage across resistance R is equal to current through resistor 2.7 kilo ohm, that is I4, into R, that is 2.7 kilo ohm itself. Thus, VR now can equivalently be written as 2.7K multiplied by I4 multiplied by I4. Now our only task is to find out I4. Here again let us assume that this node is node A, and let us call this current as current I1, this current as current I2, this current as current I3. Please make a note that the direction of I2 and direction of 3 milliamperes are negative to each other. Hence, the value of I2 is negative of 3 milliamperes, that is minus 3 milliamperes. The direction of I1 is same as that of direction of 1 milliampere. Hence, I1 is equal to 1 milliampere. In a similar fashion, direction of I3 is same as that of 4 milliamperes. Therefore, I3 is equal to 4 milliamperes. Now, using Kirchhoff's current law, we can write I1 plus I2 plus I3 minus I4 is equal to 0, as I4 is leaving node A. Leaving node A. Substituting the values of I1, I2, I3, we can write I4 is equal to 1 minus 3 plus 4 milliamperes. Therefore, the value of I4 is equal to 2 milliamperes. Now, if we call this as equation 1, and if we substitute the value of I4 is equal to 2 milliamperes, then VR, that is voltage across resistor R, is equal to 2.7K multiplied by I4 that is 2 milliamperes. Therefore, VR is equal to 5.4 volts. This is the voltage across 2.7 kilo ohm resistor. Guys, if you have any problems or any doubts, please comment in the comment section. Thanks for watching the video.